Hello, good morning. How is it going today? I am here in Orlando, in Agic Orlando office, and I just turn in my SD501 unit for deep cleaning. So I'm at the office and I was thinking, if you've never been here or, would like just to have a sneak peek, would you like to see how it look like? I want to show you how it's inside. So I'm inviting you to see our Enagic office. We have all over the world. It's a global company, very stable, almost 50 years, actually 46 years old company. Okay, so we all know because of the corona, we used to have all these sinks and we had these machines and anybody can come and refill as much water as they want. So non-stop people were coming and drinking here. So I was able to show all the units here, how they were working, but now they removed it just because of the corona, all these precautions, we want to be safe. Okay, so I came here to turn my machine for my yearly cleaning because, as you know, this is the only unit on the market that we are able to maintain them. We are cleaning our machines. We have all over the offices. It's not like you have to, look for something and there is actually no actual office. Like I had one friend, she's been looking for ionizer because she liked my machine and she decided to purchase cheap one, and we find out that there is like no office or nothing, only UPS store. That's how you can find it, where it comes from. So our is legitimate, it's very good company. So here it is. We have a K8 unit right here. This is machine like I have. This is my friend has platinum machine. They all are awesome. And let me tell you the story how I get into that. Okay, so it was probably over like maybe 4 years ago when I've been looking for water. I mean, I've been looking for water for a long time, and all my health conscious friends, they were drinking reverse osmosis. And I don't know, if you don't know me, I'm retired environmental engineer, and we actually studied, and reverse osmosis or distilled water is not good. They actually originally made it for for production, for the lab. They were using in the lab. That's why they were using this water. And I know, I'm not going to talk about it in details. If you are interested, I'll send you some like really research on that done in Europe. The all research, it's not for drinking. It is not for drinking. That's why they say add the minerals, but it's not gonna work. It's not the same. Okay, so anyway, and all my health conscious people were drinking it, and I've been learning from them to be healthy, but I could not accept and get the reverse osmosis to drink because you cannot drink this as water. It's not good. Okay, anyway. So I've been looking for water, which one is the best. Bottled water is not good, it's expensive. Filters, I've been doing filters, just buying from Walmart, like $40 every 3 weeks I was changing. And then I find out they add fluoride, they add minerals for taste, and they add different stuff that you don't want to drink it. Or the same like from refrigerator, they also add fluoride. This is a must. All these filters, they have fluoride in it. Okay, so I've been really desperate in information. And one time on Facebook, there was a lady, it wasn't in Russian group, she really something posted, it took my attention. And she was already speaking to other people, and I was curious. And she offered me to test my water. So I said, oh, yes, I would like. And I just had baby, and I had all these 2 babies around me, and, say, yes, come. So she came to my house. And she started talking to me about the water that is very small. I could not understand. She was speaking my language, but I could not understand what she's talking about. This water is too big. This water is too small. She speaks my language, and I'm not getting it. I'm not understanding her. My baby is crying on me, and I have to put for a nap. And I was thinking, when she's going to leave my house? Seriously. I could not even understand what she wants to say to me. Anyway, so she left my house. Okay, I find out how much it is. All right. She left my house, and I was like thinking, didn't think anything. I was thinking it's expensive. And I have my friends in Palm Coast, and what I've noticed, that all of them have Kangen device in their houses. And one of my closest friend that I never knew, she had her Kangen machine for years, and she kept it in the laundry room. I mean, was not asking question. I was just accidentally came and I saw this machine. She was giving me this to drink. She was not doing any business with that. That's why probably she didn't share with me. Then I was like having more and more with them relationship. And I'm finding from another friend how she does meat, tenderizes meat, how she cleans her toilet, how it helped to her other friend. I was started hearing all this powerful stories, and I did not believe it. So anyway, I'm calling to this lady originally, to this Russian lady. I'm calling to her and I said, hey, I'm ready. I would like to know about it. She was keep inviting me like for years to go and see the presentation. So I'm going to the Orlando office with her to see this presentation. When I came to present, before I left my house, my husband said, do not even buy anything, okay? So I'm going here for presentation, and in the beginning, I already said myself, I want to have this device. In the beginning, I could not finish this presentation. I couldn't see it. I knew I have to have it. So I purchased exactly the same day because I want to tell you something. I'm not a millionaire, and I've never been a daughter of the millionaire. But I found money exactly the same day right there, and they helped me to finance it. Our company is amazing. We have so many finance options to get you device that. So the same day I got the unit and I brought it home. I was kind of scared to tell my husband. I mean, he knew that I'm gonna bring it. I think he knew. That's why he told me not to bring it. So I brought it and I just put it in the kitchen in the corner, and I did not install it, nothing, because I kind of was afraid, He said not to do it and I did it anyway. I did it anyway, like I usually do. Anyway, so next day in the morning, I asked him, I turned DVD because machine comes with instruction. It's so easy to install, but I'm scared a little bit. And I'm asking him, can he help me? Maybe I will not be able to unscrew something. I'm completely dumb in all this man's work. I don't know how to do stuff. So I'm just unscrewing this aerator. He helped me, and I just popped it with him because he helped me to tie it up. So he tied up. Hi, Cassandra. So he tied up the machine, and that's it. So, and he left. So we were not like speaking about it, but he started drinking the water. I started drinking the water. I was so skeptical. As I said, I'm a very skeptical person, and I was so skeptical. The only reason I bought that, I wanted to eliminate from my home all the chemicals. And that's what they promised me, and that's why I could not. Hi, Cassandra. So that's why I could not sit until the end of this presentation over there, just because they sold me. They sold me right away. You know how much money I spent on laundry detergent for my husband? My husband had allergies, and my husband was very sensitive. He has very sensitive skin. He was always buying expensive detergent. As I said, we are not rich, but we had to do these spendings. So, and for me, it was pretty good, I don't have to buy laundry detergent. And then once I learned, I opened the book, I opened the instruction, because it comes with instruction. It has the book inside, which water you use for what. So no laundry detergent. I learned that I'm not going to use any deodorant. Expensive, natural deodorants, they're expensive. And do all the shopping. I illuminated everything. Like, as I said one time, like long time ago, I had rice cooker, I had crock pot, and then I've learned about Instant Pot. What did I do? I bought Instant Pot, and I get rid of the rice cooker, and I get rid of the crock pot. So that's it. I think it's smart, logical. And then I've learned about the Kangen machine. So when I've learned the Kangen machine, I get rid of laundry detergent, I get rid of all the Windex out of my house, all the chemicals out of my house, under my kitchen sink. I get rid of a lot of stuff. And I'm not saying that I'm pretty and perfect. I never used makeup. Like, I do not use any creams to cover my face. I have some marks. But the thing is, I use waters from my machine to take care of the skin issues. For example, I used to have pimples all over. But, once you start drinking Kangen water, you're going to detox. The first thing that you're going to detox. I have people saying me that they want to quit detoxing or whatever they don't like. But you know what? Don't start from 9.5. If you want to start from 9.5, of course you're going to have detox quickly. Start slowly. That's what you do. You start slowly for 2 weeks on 8.5, then 2 weeks. Hi, Nova. Nova is here with me. Then 2 weeks, you're going to go... Нет, сюда нельзя заносить. He brought the puppy with us. Okay, so anyway, you start slowly. No rush. It took me probably 8 months. And you know, people started asking me, Natalia, what's happened to you? Why your skin looks so beautiful? I had pimples all over. Why is, why you have so much energy? You know, I mean, I changed. I literally changed. Seriously. That's why, I always sit at home, and mostly I've been always active on Facebook. And all my Facebook and family started asking me what happened. What happened to your husband? If you see my husband, he is looking totally different. And you know him. You know my husband. You know him. And he is different and I am different. So everybody started asking, what's going on? I said, this is just water. We're laughing and everybody are laughing. But you know what? This is 75% of our body. And that's what I changed. So you change your water, change your fish tank, and change your life. If you want to be healthy, make changes now. Do not wait. What do you think? If you're not going to change anything, just imagine what's going to happen in 5 years. What's going to happen in 10 years if you're not going to change anything. If you're not going to make changes, it's going to be just getting worse. I think my health is my wealth, and I always been doing research on anything, my food is natural medicine, and the water, and the air we breathe. Get rid of the toxins, and live healthy and happy. So I'm so happy. I really want to share with everybody. You have to think. You do your own research. What is best for you. Don't look at other people. Don't ask other people. Do what is best for you. Don't ask, just go with your gut. And seriously, and if you want to get the machine, I'll help you. I will seriously help you, because I didn't have any money, but I got the same day machine, and I even didn't have a job. So, and now, my financial situation is much better than it was, and I feel better. And the mindset, when you feel more confident because of, couple things that you switched, I mean, it's amazing. All right, so I have to go, and I'm so glad that I will have been able to show you this office. And if you have any questions, I'm here at the office. I can ask, if you have questions, please comment below, and I'll ask you any questions about the technology, about the water that you drink. And have a great day. Thank you so much for staying with me. Thank you so much for your time watching me. Say hello in the comments. I would like to say hi to you, and just find out where you're tuning on from, So sending you good vibration, so it's energy pack. Electrons, get outside, get some sunshine, barefoot, and change your water, change your life. Have a good day. Bye.